Apple has launched the iPad Pro 11 after of the original. It's a smaller device with a larger screen, bags of power, and an Apple Pencil that it's not easy to lose.
Drop it.
These were all things the tablet needed in order to make it a true device for the professional user. Indeed, Apple claimed this new model is the iPad we wanted to make from the beginning. Despite the claim, there's a big question as to whether the average user will get enough benefit out of the new iPad Pro to guarantee the extra cost over the newest basic iPad, launched earlier this year. This iPad Pro 11 will start at $799, £769, 1,229 Australian dollars, and comes in a variety of configurations. You can get it in a Wi-Fi only version, or with a cellular connection to allow you to access 4G data on the go. You've also got a variety of storage capacity options. The starting price mentioned above is for the Wi-Fi only version with 64 GB of storage on board. The next storage size up is 256 GB, which starts at $949, £919, 1,449 Australian dollars, followed by 512 GB for $1,149, 1,119 pounds, 1,749 Australian dollars. Top of the heap is the 1 TB version, which costs $1,549, 1,519 pounds, 2,349 Australian dollars. Note that all the above prices are for the Wi-Fi only version of the slate. If you want to add cellular connectivity, you will need an additional $150, 150 pounds, 200 Australian dollars.